All right, so I'm gonna go over today. Today was pretty brutal. October 10th, or no, today's the 8th. Yeah, so coming into the day, I didn't have much of a bias. If anything, I kind of liked shorts down to this overnight pour low, and then we still have a pour low from a few days ago on the regular trading hours, but I didn't have much of a bias. I was just kind of watching my value areas as always. Market opened up. I did take this trade right here. I thought it was a decent trade. I still do think it was a decent trade. If I just waited for the retest, I would have never taken this, and then I would have avoided the stop altogether. So, it's a questionable trade. With Delta Flip, I don't know if I should have waited, but I really like this because we were pushing into this shelf I had marked out, and then we got hit with a large delta here, and then we pushed up one tick, finished the auction. We had exhaustion as well, so I took it short right here. Um, Kept it really tight, put my stop right here at 99, so I was only risking like 13 points or so. Ultimately got stopped out. Anyways, took that market opened up. We were buying up very, very much. So after this, I was like, okay, I want to look for entries to get long to these single prints because that looks like the draw. So when that happened, we opened up, we came down, tested the value area. I wanted to wait for the retest because that's ultimately what brings me the most success. If I had listened to that, then I would have taken that. I waited for the retest. Retest was a beautiful entry. We had a finished auction, large absorption. I mean, this could not have been a better entry. I took it long right there at 119. And then for some reason, instead of targeting my basic 20 points, I got super greedy and I targeted this single print at the 170s. Ultimately, that ended up making me pay for it because I was up 30 points. And then I got stopped out like right here for 5 points in profits, like 110 bucks. So I'm still negative on the day. I'm negative 110 bucks on the day because of that stupid lesson. I got greedy, but um, mistakes like that, it's just you got to learn from them. If you don't learn from them, you're obviously going to keep making them, and if you keep making them, you're never going to advance forward in your career. So hopefully, this is a one and done type of mistake. I mean, I'm sure it's going to happen at least once or twice more in my career. Everybody is going to battle their emotions. It's just how it is. But as long as I can minimize this, I spoke on it before, you got to minimize your mistakes because you're obviously going to make mistakes. But if you can minimize them to make them be as small as possible, then you'll be in a pretty good spot. So I went break even after being up 20 points. So I had no risk on this. If I kept risk on, I would have still been in the trade and then ultimately did take profit. I should have re-entered here, but my risk settings were locked out for the day, so I couldn't re-enter. Um, But yeah, so rough day, just have to figure it out, be back tomorrow. It was a really good day. I mean, this price action was beautiful. Like this setup could not have been more textbook. Like this is the kind of setup you see and you don't even think about it. You just take it right away. And so, I kind of dropped the ball on that and just got greedy, but it's whatever. We'll be back tomorrow. Um, Hopefully recoup this loss, but we'll see how it goes.